So even though we're a relatively young company, Lenabasum is already in the clinic for 4 separate rare inflammatory diseases. 3 of them are autoimmune diseases. Systemic sclerosis, otherwise known as scleroderma, is our most advanced program. It's in phase 3. Dermatomyositis, another rare autoimmune disease, is about to enter the next level of next stage of studies after our phase 2A studies. And lupus has just started our phase 2 studies. The 4th program we have is a chronic inflammatory disease, but which is not autoimmune, known as cystic fibrosis. Pick our indications based on a variety of parameters. The first one is, does the mechanism of action of Lenabasum, the activation of the CB2 receptor in the immune system and triggering of resolution, does that fit with what we know about the biology of the specific disease? The second parameter is, do we have preclinical data, perhaps in cells, perhaps in certain animal models, that would help us to better predict how Lenabasum would function or perform in an actual clinical setting? The third parameter that we look at is, how great is the unmet need? There are thousands of chronic inflammatory diseases. Some of them have many existing current therapies. Some of them have no current therapies. We prefer to focus on the latter. If you look at our 4 indications, we either have no therapy approved for them specifically whatsoever, or in the case of cystic fibrosis, we do have drugs approved for the disease, but not for the inflammatory component of it. All of that makes us focus on specific diseases, and that also factors into how long will the clinical development program be, how easy or difficult would it be to recruit patients, what would be the eventual time to market, and equally importantly these days, what would the pharmacoeconomics look like?